Hello, YouTube family. Today I am coming to you with a video with me walking out in nature. I think I'll take a video of this beautiful butterfly. I don't know if you can see her or not. She is white. We live in such a world where everything is go, go, go. You gotta get here, you have to get there. And sometimes we need to just sit back, relax, and enjoy being out in nature. It's another beautiful butterfly. I don't know if you can see her or not. If anyone knows what type of butterflies these are, let me know in the comments section. It's white with brown or grayish looking tips. And they have like little black dots on the back or gray on the back. I'm not sure exactly. But like I said, we live in a world where everything is go, go, go. You constantly feel like you have to be on the go all the time. And sometimes you just need to come out in nature. Enjoy the fresh air, the grass and the trees, birds and the butterflies, and everything that has to do with nature. Everything shouldn't be about a go, go, go all the time. You need to be able to sit back, relax, and just enjoy life. I don't know if you all can hear it, but I'm hearing the different birds. I'm feeling the wind. I even hear a plane up above. And I know this is not picking it up on camera, but I'm slightly hearing the bugs in the trees. Just the quietness and the stillness. I'm hearing a train in the background. It means so much to be able to get out and just enjoy this. I'm even seeing the dew on the grass. Let me go down. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see where the grass was wet because it's still kind of the morning time here where I live. I'm just in this big open field. Sometimes the little things mean a lot. I'm gonna go back down. I often think about what type of different videos I want to bring to you all. And I think that having this type of video probably be one of the type of videos that I'll bring. Coming out in nature. And just enjoying what it is to be out in nature. I even think that maybe not just having videos like this of just showing grass and the trees, but also having videos where I'm showing me near the water, even if I just am briefly talking or not talking at all. And probably even different places. This is a little bit of getting to know a little bit more of who I am. Especially if you're new to this channel. I enjoy being out in nature and just enjoying the breeze. It's a little bit breezy right now. I have on a jacket. And it's probably like in the 60s right now, which is unusual for this time of year where I live at. It normally is a lot hotter than this, but it's been raining and it's been in the 50s and the 60s. Usually when May comes, it's usually a whole lot warmer than what it is right now. But it's okay. Seeing some beautiful flowers on this tree. I don't even know what type of tree this is. Maybe if anybody sees this video, you can tell me what type of tree this is and what type of flowers that I'm seeing on this tree. see. I'm going to end this video. I want to say that I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different than my normal videos, but I hope you enjoy this video. And I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. Alright? Have a blessed day. Bye.